Hello students, welcome you all. Welcome to this channel. And this class we are going to discuss about the global warming. Before that, in the last class, we have discussed about the terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Now come to the global warming. Here, what is the global warming? Global warming, in the right side image we can see increasing the temperature of the earth due to the greenhouse gases and also due to the carbon dioxide, CFCs and other pollutants. Global warming is the gradual increase in the earth's temperature, generally due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, CFCs and other pollutants. Here, what are the causes of this global warming? There are two main causes are there. One is the man-made causes, and other one is the natural causes of global warming. Here we will discuss one by one. First, we will discuss the natural causes of global warming. In this first one is a volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust. In the image you can see here, there is a emitting lava and volcanic ash and gases are escaping from the earth surface. Here, what is a volcano here? Volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases are escaping. In this we are having three types. One is active volcano, and second one is the dormant volcano, and third one is extinct volcano. These volcanoes are the major contributor to the global warming. Next one is water vapor. See, when the temperature of the water increases, water will get vapor. That liquid state of that water will convert to vapor state. That vapor will stay in the atmosphere. That also leads to the global warming. And even water vapor is a greenhouse gas. And next one is the permafrost, melting permafrost. Here, what is the permafrost here? Permafrost ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಪ್ಪುಗಟ್ಟುವಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, melting from a permafrost, this we can see in the polar regions. Here the permafrost, what is that permafrost? That permafrost is the that contains soil, water and some harmful gases. When that permafrost start to melt, that emitted trapped gases enter into the atmosphere. That also leads to the release the gases. That also leads to the global warming, means increasing the earth's temperature. Next one is the forest blazes, or we can call the forest fires. See, forest blazes or forest fires emit large amount of carbon containing smoke. These gases are released into the atmosphere that increase in the earth's temperature, resulting in global warming. In the image we can see this, we'll call them Kadgichu. And next one is the man-made causes of global warming. Man-made causes of global warming, in that first one is the deforestation. Is a major thing is the cutting of trees. See, for the domestic purpose or the commercial purpose, people are going to cut the trees. See, these trees are plants, they balances the environment or climate. That uses these plants or trees uses the carbon dioxide and they gives out the oxygen. That means if you plant more trees, that will balance the environment or climate condition. That will help to all the kinds of organisms, animals, or even human being also, that will be the very helpful. See, if you cut the more trees, the forests are being depleted for many domestic and commercial purposes. This has led to environmental imbalance. Therefore, this gives rise to global warming. This is also a major contribution to the global warming. Next one is use of vehicles. Here, the use of vehicles, even for very short distances, results into various gases emissions. Here, vehicle burns fossil fuels which emit a large amount of carbon dioxide and other toxins into the atmosphere, resulting in a temperature increase. In the image, we can see here the cars, buses, trucks, or bikes. These all the vehicles, they are emitting carbon dioxide. In that, some other toxins also present. When they enter the atmosphere, that leads to the increasing the temperature of the earth. Next one is the chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. In the image we can see here some coolants, refrigerators and ACs. See, if we are using this maximum percentage of this air conditioners uh, air conditioners and refrigerators that emit the CFCs, that CFCs will enter into the atmosphere and they are affecting the ozone layer. When these CFCs affect the ozone layer, ultraviolet rays from the sun directly they will hit to the earth's surface. Directly they hit to the or directly that ultraviolet rays will reach to the earth's surface, that increasing the temperature of the atmosphere or the earth's surface. That also leads to the global warming. CFC is also reason for the global warming. Next one is the industrial development. In the image we can see a large number of, if the industries are growing, that means they are emitting the large amount of gases. In the image we can see here just I taken one image. In the world there will be the maximum number of industries, that man-made activities, they are also contributing the global warming. See, with that advent of industrialization, the temperature of the earth has been increasing rapidly. The harmful emissions from the factories add to the increasing temperature of the earth. Next one is agriculture. See, even farmer also contributing some percent to the global warming. If means farmers activities for farming, here in the image we can see some farmers they are using tractor and some they are using the ox. See, that tractors they are emitting the carbon dioxide, and this below image that gives the methane gases. These methane gases and carbon dioxide also, these are greenhouse gases. Because of that greenhouse gases, temperature of the earth increasing. Here what is I am telling greenhouse gases, what is that greenhouse effect? Here carbon dioxide and methane and some other gases, that leads to the increasing the temperature of the earth. And next one, overpopulation. Overpopulation, in the image we can see increase in the population means the more people breathing, means they are giving out carbon dioxide, they are inhaling the oxygen. This also leads to the increase in the level of carbon dioxide, the primary gas causing global warming in the atmosphere. And last thing is effects of global warming. Here what are the effects of this global warming is the rise in temperature, threats to the ecosystem, climate change, spread of diseases, high mortality rates and loss of natural habitat. These things will discuss in the next video. With that, we'll discuss about the greenhouse effect. That greenhouse effect will discuss in the next class, and also we'll see in the ozone depletion layer. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next class.